I've been feeling like the man, this shit going how I plan, ayy. Yeah, I've been stacking up the bands, counting shit up in advance, yeah. Voices in my head said I could do better, but Big Sean just told me to stick to the plan. Flows throughout, I'ma need me a fan. Working non-stop, you can see in my hands.